and Paladin Global Market. I just wanted to share with you one of my students' testimonies from my online course. It was so sweet. I have the course called Paladin Global Market's Growth Academy. I teach people how to have their own online eBay business and to do it successfully, so you're not stumbling over the things that I stumbled over the first year when I started running my own eBay business. Gosh, almost 16 years ago now. I was able to replace my income so I could stay home with my little girl and resign from my dental career at the time and be able to enjoy all of her precious years until she got to kindergarten. And then I returned to my dental career, but I had never stopped doing eBay. It's a great business that you can continue to do no matter, you can amp it up or back it down based on your responsibilities at the time and the different commitments that you have. I just love eBay for that. You can, if you want to go on a vacation, all right, crank up the sales and you make some quick profit. I mean, quick profit, guys, right away. And I feel like I have a lot to share with people to be able to teach them. You can do this, guys. If you're struggling to make ends meet, if you have some debt that you want to pay off, if you have a car that you want to buy, college to pay for your kids, I mean, whatever you're needing for your life, eBay can solve this for you guys. It really can. It's work. It's definitely work, but it's a satisfying work that you can take it even up to full time if you'd like, to be able to make your own schedule, stay home with your kids, go to the doctor's visits when you need to, go to the park and the soccer games and that type of thing, and be able to name your schedule. So I want to share with you this testimony that I received from one of my dear friends. She's also a student at Paladin Global Market's Growth Academy, and she's actually been one of my consignment clients for her and her husband for almost a year now. But I just wanted to share this with you to help, just let you see what is available to you as well. I want to help. So stay tuned, guys. Here we go.
What's better than finding treasure in your closet, things you're not using anymore, and you can sell them on eBay and make some extra money? What about staying home or taking care of your kids or being stuck in 2020 and having to figure out, what do I do with my life now? So Michele has cracked the code of how to do this on eBay, which, being a former intelligence officer, I love smart people, and I love people who crack the code and say, this is how you do it. Straightforward, easy, make money, minimal effort. And that's what her eBay training is about. That's what her eBay company is about. I've made hundreds of dollars off of stuff that was sitting in my closet. So Michele can give you the tips and the tricks how to do that easily, so you don't have to make the mistakes that she made when she first started using this. So I cannot recommend her more highly, and I'm very proud of her excellent and ongoing success.